The biggest reason for not getting a hike or not getting a good job is you, right? It's not about how much experience do you have, it's not about how much knowledge you have. The biggest problem lies to you, right? So in this video I'm going to cover out what exactly you things you need to do to get a good job, what are things that you need to improve, and the main part is how you can practically create a good resume, right? So I'm going to practically show you how you can make a good resume that will just fit into ATS, and it will give you a good record and you'll get a job very easily, right? So let me quickly start. So these are things usually what does we do? We create all this information we add in the resume, career objective, work experience. We don't know where the things should be added, right? So usually we tag each and everything over there. So the thing is, problem creator is like the resume is not so much attractive, that need to be washed. And second thing is, one thing is being used into the industry is called app tracking system, which is ATS. Okay, for example, if I am a hiring manager, right, I just got your resume. So what does I'll do if I have, let's say, 200 applications? So I'll just upload your application on a software which is called ATS, application tracking system. When I upload, it will give me a mark, let's say 50%. Okay, which means application is not good, I do not have to select him. If I upload, if I get marks, let's say 60%, then it again means it's not good, I should not have to select this person. So this is where the problem arises. So I'm going to practically solve you how you can overcome this problem, and from scratch how you can create your own best resume, that if there is around 100 people in the interview, then I can guarantee you'll be in the top 1%, right? So let me quickly start with the practical scenario. I hope you subscribe because we are bringing similar videos a lot. So this is my LinkedIn profile. First, what you need to do, you need to create a good LinkedIn. You need to add each and everything, whatever you know, whatever things you have, because this is the first step from where we are going to take some sort of informations. Let's say whatever you are doing, just add it here, education, whatever you have, right? Just keep it simple, related to your profession. Now, in the next step, we need to click on resource. We need to just save it as a PDF, right? You'll see a PDF here, so it will just give you a resume, right? This is not ATS friendly resume. What you need to do, you need to just go on cloud. Okay, cloud. This is the website cloud. You just need to sign up. Now just give a prompt. Give me a one page ATS friendly resume that showcases all my experience, achievement, and skills to land me a job review at, let's say, Google, right? Because that's one of the best one, that is VIH is best, but let's consider Google. Write the latex code to generate this resume. So you just need to copy paste this prompt in your uh, cloud profile, because this is one of the best AI that probably we have, right? Let's select the resume that we have downloaded. Let's say it's here, right? Profile 3. You can see it was downloaded as a profile 3. You need to select Sonnet 445, which is going to work for us here. Now just click on this, right? When you click, you'll see you'll get a latex code. Latex code is something which can be compiled into form of document, right? So we are just getting the latex code. Okay, let it work. And it's about to done, right? Probably you can give a thumbs up to this video because it will bring a lot of things. One more point, like this is not a job friendly, because I'm working in a company as a CEO at VIH group and as a chief engineer as well. So it's like for a professional person, but in your case, if you're looking for a job, just keep it job friendly, right? Keep here the company where you have worked last time, right? You can add where you have worked, all those things, education, projects on you have worked, right? So accordingly, you'll enter up your prompt in the cloud and you'll upload your resume, right? Now it's done. Let's copy and go on a website called Overleaf, right? Let's say overleaf.com, which is a latex editor. When you enter up your latex, it will show you, like, just select a blank project. Let's say resume new, right? You need to create an account here on Overleaf. This is absolutely free, right? You just need to remove this line and enter up your code, right? Let's click on recompile. You'll get a resume here which is very ATS friendly. Okay, let's download. Okay, and you'll see a resume which is having a lot of things. First thing is the email ID, which is very much important. Your name can be on the top. This is a LinkedIn profile, VIH group, all those things. Professional summary about you, core competence with technical leadership and security, professional experience, and recognition and achievement education. So probably that much of experience, very less people are having. But in my case, as I'm working in multiple companies, so I added a lot of things, right? So it will be in one page, okay, that, but in my case it's showing in the two page because there's a lot of information. So like companies having paid ATS softwares, right, which give you a lot of scores, it will just search on a lot of parameters. So probably you'll get around 85 ATS score, right? But let's see on any ATS checker. It will give you a false report, right, on online ATS checkers, right? But still, let's try. Let's upload your latest resume here. Okay, it will give you more than 80%, but it's like a free ones. It will not going to check on a lot of parameters. Yeah, you got 85, right? 85 is a very good score. Like more than 70% is a good score, but in my case it's 85, even with a not a good ATS checker, right? Even there are a couple of things that you can recorrect, right? Unnecessary information and all those things, right? So this is how you can create your own resume, very friendly for getting a job, right? Because you can see a lot of technical informations are added here. It's not written like I'm let's say a very friendly person is a very friendly that all those things, right? So it's very point to point things which is added, right? So this is what you can do to create a ATS friendly resume, and you'll get a job very easily. So that's what we have. At least create a resume, good resume, and you'll get a good job. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.